morigereria gwensokoti twendera kwemanya manga asobotko bwa bono muraibwe kiama gia DCP Rigathi Gachagua nigorera ara OMOROBERIO gukwerikia buno mwakie kurumanyikaine buna TUKO KADI ensemo ya Karatini county ya NYERI nekirenga kyo gosemia Abasae kubwate kura bosi bwo bochorio bonene bo mwaka bwe chilifu 2025 na kabire Gachagua nigasenkwane yaye airire buna nigabwato kwegeno konene na Abasae asobora ino boyo guche koreta munchirio imeyense asobochori bore bosio.
Young people across the country have come up with the NICO card movement, which we are launching here in Madeira today. And we want to urge our young people, wherever they are, we need to register 6 million young people to join the rest of us so that next year, on the 10th of August, we can wake up early and make good decisions for the benefit of this country. This vote that the young people are taking will enable them to actualize what they wanted in June 24 when we had the Gen Z protests. They wanted transparency and accountability. They wanted good governance. They wanted good education. They wanted good health. They wanted a country that is governed by the rule of law. And therefore, they are on the right track, and I want to encourage them wherever they are to register everybody and to challenge each other. And we are also asking parents to help in challenging their children to register. Here in Madeira, the returning officer has confirmed to me that so far we have 105,000 people registered as voters. And myself, my wife, and my 2 boys, we have confirmed that we are indeed registered, and we have updated our biometrics. And for that reason, we want to confirm that the 4 of us will turn up at 3 a.m. at Sagana Primary School on the 10th of August to join the rest of Kenyans in having the change that we desire. The returning officer has briefed me that they require 29,000 new registered voters among the young people, and I have asked the leadership of this area and this constituency to get involved in publicizing the schedule, since the mass voter registration will begin on the 29th, to make sure that they use all forums available to let new voters know where they should register. I'm therefore very excited to come here to join our young people in this great movement of NICO KADI, and I am very happy to be associated with this movement, and I have absolute faith in our young people. I love them and I trust them, and I know they will not let this country down. I know the young people will do this country proud, and it is them who have the power, because they are incorruptible. They cannot be bribed with the beans and rice. They cannot be bribed with the handouts. They will make the right decisions, which is good for the benefit of this country.